In this video, I'm going to be explaining why my previous video was in Hindi. And I'm doing that in English. I'm explaining that in English because there were many people who did not understand Hindi, and so they had a hard time understanding my previous video. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the reasons why exactly my previous video was in Hindi. And here's why. Point number one, try. So I never made a video in Hindi prior to my previous video. So I basically wanted to try making one video in Hindi to see how that goes, and I think I did pretty well. Point number two, related content. Now, last video was on Sandeep Maheshwari, who is an Indian motivational speaker, and his videos are all in Hindi. So since I made a video on him, since the topic was on Sandeep Maheshwari, the trick that he did on his audience, blah 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 blah, and all those stuff. So since I did that, I decided to make that video in Hindi so that if that video circulates a little bit more, then the people who are going to be watching that are also going to be the people, mostly are going to be the people who watches videos in Hindi. So for them, it is going to be easy to understand. Point number three, geography. I live in India, and whenever I post my videos, it is generally circulated in entire India and in the neighboring places. So most of the people here are very comfortable while speaking Hindi. It's like, bhai, wo apna wala feel lagta hai na? So that's the thing, okay? Now there are still people who prefer videos in English, as these are those people who doesn't know Hindi that well. So for that reason, I decided to make my videos in English and Hindi in a mixed format, and most of the part will be in English, and whenever I'm going to be speaking in Hindi, so whenever I'm going to be speaking in Hindi, तब नीचे subtitles आ जाएगा. Conclusion. Now, I have been making videos for a pretty long time, and all of them are in English, except for the last one, of course. So with time, I got subscribers from all around the world who doesn't even know what Hindi is. So for them, English is the standard form of watching videos. And since I made educational content, I posted my videos in English. And now I might start posting videos that are entertaining and informative at the same time. And so for that reason, I've decided to make my videos in English and Hindi mixed together, so that my videos are not just for the sake of videos. It's also a good way of having interaction. So these were the reasons कि last वाला video Hindi में क्यों था. And I hope you understand why. So anyways guys, hope you watched the full video. Of course you did if you are here. And subscribe, because I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.